Hi guys, it's me, Andrew. I'm playing Plants vs Zombies. And I played 2 levels to know how this game works. Now I know how to play. Let me see. How about, I don't know. EP shooter cake. 10 shoots to kill 1 zombie. That's my theory. No, I don't think what this cherry look like. Ito's name cherry bomb. I think ito's a bomb, but I don't know how it works. Let's just see. So it blows. I think the zombies get that close, but it will blow. Okay, it's level 4, John Paul's house. Maybe this will blow also. This shady looking game. Let's use this. Hello. Why is it doing acting? Is this dancing like a game? Maybe after here, go here, I'm gonna put that. Maybe this is the defense. I saw earlier few attacks, plants died, but when this plant, it's not the. Maybe this is a wall that look like a nut. But this is not enough. So don't get mistaken this. We're gonna see his name after this level. See those skills? That is what we call overkill. Look at him, he's dying. No! My faithful friend, don't die on me. You're Rayman's best friend who likes to dance. I'm gonna protect you with this pea shooter. I'm gonna save what 50 and for the final wave and see what's up of the cherry bomb. Few more, few more. Let me save this and few more suns. One more, yes. That's what we're talking about. Let's see first, many zombies approaches. Then put it where more zombies are in line. About this should be tough. No, wrong plan. Boom. So it shoots nearby. Okay, that sounds cool enough. Ooh, what's this? A shovel. Is this a plant? Or is this a plain shovel? Shovel. Let you dig up a plant to make room for another plant. Lol, there's a big pot. Gay. Wait, so he's crazy there. Lol. Book. So it removes plants. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is a walnut boulder. That's cool enough. What's this red? I think this is an explosive one. Let me try. So that is an explosive one. I'm gonna save it for bigger enemies or larger waves. Triple strike. Triple strike. Lol, look at that. And they die in a kaboom. Let's use another one. Boom, boom, boom. Triple kill. That is what we're talking about. Boom, boom. Another kill. Boom, boom. And let's save this. This holy macaroni. In this. Oh no, look, will you look at that? A huge wave of zombies is approaching. But they're not gonna pass. Because the cool one here is playing. Boom. Kabooms. Dead. Boom. Now this is what they call a win retail with a plant that costs 25 sand. And this plant is called potato mine. Explodes on contact but takes time to arm itself. Okay, guys, I will be ending this video here. Bye.